Hey guys, I made it to a nice little shady spot here in the desert. I'm at Sabino Canyon, and I've actually just been thinking about something while I've been hiking, and I just kind of wanted to share it with all of you. I realized that sometimes I have to go back to places in order to heal. And what I mean by that is, like, if I made a certain memory with someone somewhere and something happened between me and that person, part of me always wants to avoid going to those places because it triggers certain memories of me with them or them with me, and reminds me how they're not in my life anymore. And it makes me really sad. And yeah, for example, this place, Sabino Canyon, the last time I came here was with someone that I really thought that I was, like, in love with. Like, I was seriously in love with this person for multiple years, and eventually they told me that everything was fake and that they could never see themselves actually being in a real relationship with me. And so as soon as they told me that, I just realized that all of the memories that we made together were just these fake, meaningless performances that this person was putting on when I thought that we were creating these beautiful, loving moments together. So I have been avoiding this place for a while because it reminds me of that person. It reminds me of coming here with them and, like, how amazing it was. Like, even though it wasn't real, like, it felt really real. And I wanted to come here so I could just start mending that pain and, like, just start moving on and letting go of the grief of that relationship not working. I really do believe that the land can hold memories and feelings and emotions, and when we go there, those things that we might have forgotten or felt before resurface for us to heal again or heal deeper from those experiences or those people. So that was kind of my intention today, was to just come on this hike and just allow all of the feelings of pain and regret and just all of the negative feelings that come up when I think about that person, or when I get the flashbacks of the memories of us here together. And it just reminds me of, like, everything that I went through in that connection, and how I poured every ounce of my heart and soul into somebody that could care less about me, who would just waste my time and my life and my love. And so, yeah, I'm here today to let go of them, let go of that person that I thought I was in love with. and to make new memories in this place, because this is where I live, this is my home, this is supposed to be where I can come to be at peace and to relax and to charge my spirit, not be sad or thinking about someone that isn't even a part of my life anymore. And maybe he'll see this, but I doubt it. So at the end of it all, it's always just me in the desert, healing and letting go. And I hope all of you can do the same. Go to those places where you're afraid to go because they remind you of someone or they remind you of something bad that happened. Go back to that place, make new memories, feel good, and help transmute all of that pain from the past and from those people that hurt you. Because that's what nature's for. It's a little bit yummy. That's what nature's for, is for helping us heal our hearts and become whole again, and that's what I'm here to do. Love you. Thank you. Thank you to the earth for healing me, for guiding me, for showing me the way, protecting me. Thank you to all the plants, the elements, and the sun and the moon that help me every day. Thank you to this beautiful desert, the ancestors of this land. Thank you to the water for sustaining all of it, life. Thank you for this beautiful, beautiful life. Thank you, God. Thank you to everyone out there that cares about me. I love you.